Hi, I'm Skylar. There are two basic different varieties of iPad. One with only Wi-Fi and one with Wi-Fi plus cellular. Now that plus cellular means that that particular type of iPad can connect to Edge, GPRS, GSM, 3G, and now 4G or LTE networks. It can also connect to CDMA, and so certain Verizon models of iPad use a different type of antenna than most AT&T models. In the case of 4G or LTE, Verizon also uses SIM cards. So you've probably noticed if you've got a Verizon iPad or an AT&T iPad, this little slot right here. That's where your micro SIM card lives. And if it goes bad for whatever reason, you can always go to your carrier to get a new one. iPads also are not locked. So if you go overseas or you feel like using a different network, as long as you can get a micro SIM card and that network supports iPad, then you can get online. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.